have witnessed a huge cultural change and behavioral change in people's mind and in their lifestyle too. So, how these outside forces and trends are impacting the consumer behavior, and what are the emerging marketing trends for marketers?
Okay, you have covered a lot of things in one question. So let me just try and break it down and try and answer each one of them. I think, first of all, I think the rise and fall of pandemic, Devalina, has left people scared for themselves and their loved ones. And because of that, there is a lot of behavioral and consumer mindset changes which we have been observed. I mean, imagine a situation. I never thought that my mom and dad will operate banking through mobile phones or digital. I mean, banking as an industry digitally was penetrated among youngsters more rather than the elderly audience. So that's the change which I saw at my household. I imagine situations ordering vegetables through WhatsApp from the vegetable seller down the lane. I mean, these are the changes which are coming up. And one of the biggest changes which I saw in my previous organization also was purchasing makeup without trying it. I mean, that's a big leap change which we have observed, where consumers are ensuring and showing confidence in buying products online. I think these are the larger changes I've observed, and these changes are also from a perspective, I would say, because we were put into a situation. I mean, the pandemic was there, social distancing, lockdown was announced, and because of this, we all of us started adapting to new things, and lot of changes came into picture. And if I go to your last part of your question, which is about emerging trends, I think those trends also have emerged because of the situation which we are put into. So for me, there are multiple trends which we have seen in the last 1 year or 2 years, but I think the ones which have struck me personally would be globalization. When I say globalization, Devalina, we are right now living into a virtual world. And we really do not get bothered with how to choose a sales partner. So if I am sitting in Bangalore and there is a customer sitting in US who has a requirement which I can sit here sitting in Bangalore, I do not have to identify vendors in my region or my country. So I think globalization in business is one of the biggest trend I am observing, and we are not shying away trying people, not catching up them over the table or something like that. We are happy. We are doing a Zoom call right now and recording this. I think these are the facts which I see. And another striking change which is more relevant to my career also is adoption of AI. I have been believing into AI for years now, and now over the years, when most of the consumers today are little bit educated about AI, but they are showing more confidence of adopting it internally. I think that they are not isolating or alienating AI away. I think these are the two big emerging trends I am observing as of today.
That's right. So, as you said, that the adoption of technology, AI, has accelerated. I mean, the situation has accelerated the adoption much faster. Not only among the youngster, but in every age group, every demographic, and every region.
Exactly. I just give an example of, if you see digital spends in our country only, I mean, they are growing right now at 30% year on year, whereas the overall advertising spend is growing at 8%. So imagine how much confidence people are showing into digital as an adoption, and that's one of the very plain fact of an example which we are observing in day-to-day life.